Alright, now good morning and welcome. I'm Mr. Simons. This is the lesson. I'm still determining first derivative using rules of differentiation, but now looking at the third format where we're gonna find products. As I say, there's seven different ways we test it. Right. So look at problem number 1. They say evaluate d of x or differentiate x in relation to given 2x minus 3 times x plus 4. Right now, I just typed out the whole process. I'm not sure which one is in finding their products, but first 2x times x, positive times positive, stay positive, 2x times 4, negative times positive become negative, 3 times x, negative times positive become negative, 3 times 4. 2x times x gives me 2x squared, 2x times 4 would give me 8x, minus 3 times x gives me minus 3x, and negative 3 times 4 would give me negative 12. We always have two like terms that we add. 8x minus 3x gives me 5x. Those of you that know the process should be able to go from there straight to there. You don't get any marks for these two steps. Just included that for explanation. As I said, not all learners are lucky enough to have strong teachers that explained everything to them properly. So that is just to help those that need the help. Right, so if I differentiate dx, differentiate x in relation to what's given, 2 times 2, 2 minus 1. 1 times 5, 1 minus 1, and differentiating a constant will always be 0. Take note, once I start differentiating, dx falls away. 2 times 2 gives me 4. 2 minus 1, 1, so that stays x. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0, and anything to the power 0 is 1. So x falls away, so I'm left with 4x plus 5. Let's look at the second problem. Alright, now if you look at number 2, they say evaluate. I am required to differentiate x given the equation x half minus 3 in brackets times in brackets 2x half plus 4. So first term times first term, x half times 2x half. Positive times positive, stay positive, x half times 4. Negative times positive, stay negative, 3 times 2x half. Negative times positive gives me negative 3 times 4. So that 2 times 1 stay 2. X half times x half, half plus half gives me 1. Remember, when the bases are the same, we add the exponents. There, 4 times 1 stay 4, x to the power half. Then negative 3 times 2 become negative 6, x to the power half. And minus 3 times 4, negative 12. So now if I simplify 2x, my like terms, minus 6 plus 4, you see they both says x half, x half. So minus 6 plus 4 gives me plus 2, x half. Minus 12. I hope you picked up I made an error there with English, but yeah, it's okay. So if I differentiate in relation to x, 1 times 2, 1 minus 1. Half times 2, half minus 1, and I differentiate the constant 12 becomes 0. Take note, differentiate to x, dx there falls away once I start differentiating. Right, now assume now 2 times 1 is 3. Just joking. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0, and anything to the power 0 is 1, and 1 times 2 stays 2. Therefore, x falls away. 2 times half. Half of 2, I assume you know, is 1. And there, half minus 1 would then give me negative half. 0 falls away. Right, and that one I'll leave as is. So, hope you understand, hope you enjoy. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.